Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit and show you a little about how you can easily add punctuation as you go as you're dictating into a software program. I'm using Microsoft Word today. We'll start by waking up the microphone. It's in sleep mode. Wake up. Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, and I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to add punctuation. Period. Of course, you're not used to, when you're speaking, adding punctuation in your regular speech. Period. Yes, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but with a little bit of practice, it's easy to do. Period. It's actually amazing, exclamation mark, how easy it is to use punctuation once you get used to it. Period. Have you ever used voice recognition before? Question mark. If not, it's very easy to learn how to use punctuation of all kinds, including things like at sign, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, underscore, and many other types of punctuation and other things that need to go into your document. Period. I hope you enjoyed this quick example of how to add punctuation. Period. Go to sleep. So once again, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel just by clicking on the box above, or you can visit my website, get more information about my e-course that goes into details on how to use voice recognition. We'll talk to you soon, and look for more tips in the future. Bye-bye.